In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tracking category in Xero. If you're new to tracking categories, think of them as tags you can attach to invoices, bills, and bank transactions to see how different parts of your business are performing, like locations, teams, product lines, or events. Setting this up now saves you hours when you run profit and loss reports by segment later. Start by heading to your Xero account so you're on the main dashboard. From there, look for the organization or company menu at the top of the page. It usually shows your business name and opens a drop-down when you click it. In that drop-down, choose Settings. This takes you to the central place where you can manage features that affect reporting and how your data is organized. Inside Settings, find and select Tracking Categories. This page is dedicated to organizing the labels you'll use across your transactions. Even if you haven't created any yet, you'll see the option to begin. It's a good idea to pause here for a moment and think about how you want to slice your reporting. Clear, consistent labels help everyone on your team code transactions accurately. Now, click Add Tracking Category. Xero will open a panel or page where you can define the category you want to use. You'll notice that Xero keeps this very straightforward so you can get back to your day quickly. Remember, the goal is to create categories that align with how you review performance, don't overcomplicate it, and avoid duplicates that could confuse your reporting later. A couple of helpful tips as you plan. Xero. Reporting supports up to 2 tracking categories on each transaction, so prioritize the 2 dimensions that matter most, such as region and department. Keep names short and unambiguous, and agree on them with your accountant or finance lead to maintain consistency. If your screen looks a little different, you may be using an updated navigation. The option is still under Settings, and a quick search for Tracking in Xero will bring you to the same place. And that's it. To recap, go to your Xero dashboard, open the Organization menu, choose Settings, select Tracking Categories, and then click Add Tracking Category. With that path in mind, you're ready to structure your data for clearer, more insightful reporting. If you can't see settings or tracking categories, you might not have the required permissions in Xero, so check with the person who manages user access. Finally, consider documenting your naming rules for the team so everyone applies the same logic going forward.